Mandevilla Splendens, my guide to the show-stopping vine. Hi there, Furbu here. For those of you who love a vibrant splash of color adorning your patio or climbing a trellis, then the Mandevilla Splendens, or Shining Mandevilla, might be your perfect match. This stunning vine, hailing from the sunny shores of Brazil, boasts glossy green foliage and explodes with gorgeous trumpet-shaped blooms throughout the summer. But before you rush out and grab one, let's delve into everything you need to know about caring for this tropical beauty. What is a Mandevilla Splendens? The Mandevilla Splendens is an evergreen vine belonging to the Apocynaceae family, renowned for its glossy, elliptical leaves that can reach up to 8 inches long. The true stars of the show are its blooms. These large, vibrant flowers, typically a rose pink with a contrasting yellow throat, unfurl in clusters, adding a touch of the tropics to any space. Mandevilla Splendens are vigorous growers, reaching heights of up to 10 feet with proper support. How to care for a Mandevilla Splendens? Providing the right TLC is key to keeping your Mandevilla Splendens thriving. Here's what you need to know. Light. Mimic its Brazilian origins by giving your Mandevilla Splendens plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. South-facing locations during the cooler months and filtered light in the hotter afternoons during summer are ideal. Water. These vines enjoy consistently moist soil, so water deeply and regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Avoid letting the plant dry out completely, as this can lead to wilting and stunted growth. Soil. Well-draining soil is essential to prevent root rot. A good quality potting mix with added perlite or sand for extra drainage is recommended. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your Mandevilla Splendens with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Reduce fertilization in the fall and winter months. Pruning. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and more blooms. Pinch back leggy stems throughout the growing season and give it a more substantial prune in late winter or early spring before new growth appears. How to propagate a Mandevilla Splendens? Sharing the beauty of your Mandevilla Splendens is easy. Here's how to propagate it. Stem cuttings, the most common propagation method. Take stem cuttings several inches long during the spring or summer, ensuring they have a few nodes. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone before planting in a pot with moist potting mix. Keep the pot warm and misted until new growth appears. Layering. Another option is stem layering. Choose a healthy stem and make a shallow cut halfway through. Apply rooting hormone and secure the cut portion with a bent piece of wire under the soil surface in another pot. Keep the soil moist and weigh down the layered stem for better contact. Once roots develop, you can sever the connection with the parent plant. What to plant with a Mandevilla Splendens? Mandevilla Splendens pairs beautifully with a variety of plants, creating a stunning visual display. Here are some ideas. Trailing companions. Complement the vertical growth of your Mandevilla Splendens with cascading plants like million bells, petunias, or sweet potato vines. Colorful contrasts. For a vibrant pop, pair your Mandevilla Splendens with flowering plants in contrasting colors like blue salvia or yellow lantana. Fragrant accents. Add a delightful olfactory element by planting fragrant herbs like rosemary or lavender near your Mandevilla Splendens. Final thoughts. With its vibrant blooms and lush foliage, the Mandevilla Splendens is sure to add a touch of the tropics to your space. By following these simple care tips, you can enjoy this show-stopping vine for years to come. Happy planting!